welcome to Narisaki. Today we're going to make Ekadashi specials. We're going to make salad. This is a salad and it's for Ekadashi salad and I need potato, but not potato. I need sweet potato. Cousin sister of potato. I have sweet potato baked in the oven, and now you can steam it, bake it, or cook it. It tastes yummy. I'm going to peel off the skin of the sweet potatoes and chop it. I have chopped sweet potatoes. Now I'm going to add some pink salt. I'm going to add some chaat masala. Now comes heart-healthy pomegranate seeds. Now I'm going to add roasted peanut powder. Lemon juice will make it tangy, so I'm going to add some lemon juice. I'm going to add some cilantro. It gives a nice flavor. Now I'm going to mix it. If you want a nice crunch, then add some sesame seeds. If you want to add some more sweetness, add some dates. Now I want a little bit more sweetness, so I'm going to add some dates. It has iron also. If you want it a little spicy, add green chilies, chopped green chilies. Now you can add anything you want. Green chutney, sweet chutney, yogurt, anything you want. Now I'm going to stir the salad. Pomegranate seeds are heart healthy and healthy too. Now I'm going to add some dates. Dates give a nice sweetness to it. Now I'm going to add some sesame seeds. Now I'm going to add some cilantro. This is sweet, crunchy, and tasty, and it's a little bit tangy also. And this is not only for Ekadashi, you can eat it every day. Please subscribe Narisaki for more videos. Bye and see you.